What is NFT? How people becoming NFT millionaires? Whoa! Hey dear, if you want to be an NFT millionaires, then follow us for the regular NFT news, update and crypto content which help you to be ahead of the herd. NFT, a non-fungible token, which means it can neither be replaced nor interchanged because it has unique properties. NFT uses the technology of blockchain to create something which is unique in the digital world. The term fungible refers to items that are the exact equal value and interchangeable with each other. For example, €1 is equal to €1. It's simple. NFTs are the digital assets that represent internet collectibles like in the form of arts, music, and games with an authentic certificate created by blockchain technology that underlies cryptocurrency. NFTs are unique in nature which cannot be forged. NFT exchanges take place in cryptocurrencies such as through the Bitcoin or the Ethereum on special sites. CryptoPunks is the best example of NFT. NFTs are indivisible. NFT cannot be divided into small parts. That is the reason you can't buy a fraction of the NFT. An NFT can only have one owner at any one time. When you buy an NFT, you bought the exclusive ownership of a particular digital asset. It's similar to buying a autographed version of JPG, but it access to everyone to view, save it, and on their computer and reshare them on the internet. Your ownership can be verified on the blockchain. NFT can be transferred to another person via the blockchain, which means you can buy and sell it. Each transaction are recorded on the blockchain. At last, what would be the future of NFT? Hey guys, let me know on the comment section what do you think of the NFT and what will be the futures of the NFT world in the digital content. And for the regular update and the regular news on the NFT, metaverse, and the cryptocurrencies, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share within your friends. Thank you.